Inday, saan ka na naman pupunta, Inday? Mag-vlog-vlog tayo. Saan tayo pupunta, ate?
Hello, Black. We're going to Mamsar. We're doing jet ski.
Wow! We're going to jet ski for today's video.
Hello. Good morning.
So, andito na kami sa Mamzar Beach. Ayan, magje-jet ski kami ngayong araw na to. Dito kami sa Sharjah. Ayan, dyan kami magre-renta ng mga boat, mga ski jet. Tapos malapit sa Lock Place Tower. Ang per hour nila is 150 kapag malaki, 90 dirhams naman kapag maliit. Dito kami mag-jet ski. Bayad na sila doon.
Whenever you are driving, just keep distance with others.
Yan yung jet ski nila. Videohan natin.
Ikaw sa Singen?
Yan, may instructor muna kung paano i-drive yung jet ski. Go, go, ate! Siya naman ang magta-try mag-drive. Oh, go! Bye! Go!
Duman sa rikulan mo tayo.
Done. Yan. After naming mag-jet ski, dito naman kami sa kabilang side ng Mamzar Beach. Dubai side naman kami. Mag-swimming na kami ngayon. Swimming tayo. enjoy lang ang buhay.
Guys,
Inday, saan ka na naman pupunta, Inday?
we're just finished Mamsar Beach.
Natay, ate?
We want to become a mermaid again.
Mga mermaid. Kahit
We are
mainit.
looking for our partner, Dogong. Dogong, where are you? Where's Dogong?
Dugong.
Have too much Dogong here.
Ayan,
Swim naman. Ang pwede ng mga mermaids.
Swimming.
Ganda naman sa katawan niya, Jabarship. Diba? Sana Malamig!
Malamig. After namin mag-swimming, punta kami dito sa Faluda Beach para kumain ng dessert. Let's go inside. Ah. Aesthetic.
Guitar. It's better than Betty Crocker. This Ramadan, don't say it, take it.
Nakagaling nyo lang mag-swimming ah.
After the jet ski, Mamsar, and then after swimming, and then we came here all the way to Faluda. Yes.
Wow!
Yes.